Hey, and welcome to my video. If you are new here, welcome, and if you're a returning supporter, thank you. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing. What will I be unboxing, you ask? Well, I'll be unboxing my iPhone 12 Pro Max, guys. I'm not one of those people that gets a new phone every time it comes out, but my 7 actually started acting up on me, so I figured it was time for a new phone. So I did get the latest and greatest from Apple. So if you'd like to see me unbox my iPhone Pro Max, continue watching the video. But first, you know what you need to do. Hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you're notified every time that I post a video. Alright guys, let's get right into the video. So this is my package, y'all. I'm going to go ahead and open it up. I wanted to do this on camera so you guys can get my reaction. So like I said, I'm not one of those people that gets the newest and latest and greatest phone that's out. My last iPhone is actually an iPhone 7. So it's actually time for a new one. It did start acting funny on me. My camera stopped working. My video stopped working. It's working on and off. So yeah, it was getting irritating. I couldn't make phone calls for whatever reason. Whenever I made a phone call, no one could hear me and I couldn't hear them. So anyway, no one has time for all those technical difficulties. I figured it was time for a new one anyway, so why not just go ahead and get a new one. So, this is my package. Nothing fancy. Ooh, that's different. So as you can see, guys, this box is a lot thinner than what the normal iPhone box looks like. I actually have an old box in front of me and I'm going to show you the difference. This is the old box and this is the new box. So it's about half the size of the old box. So let's see what's inside. I'm going to go ahead and open this. Alright guys, I got the silver. One, guys. I was torn between the gold one and the silver one. I opted for the silver one. And this is what it looks like in the box. Okay, it's nice. It's really nice. Has a white paper on it, so I'm gonna go ahead and take that off. Ooh, this bad boy is shiny. This is really nice. I have to be very careful, y'all, because I'm not trying to drop it, but look at this. It's a very nice phone. It's very heavy. So, first impression, the phone, wow. The phone looks beautiful. I mean, it's a really nice looking phone and it's heavy, so it feels like it's very good quality. This is my 7. It's definitely bigger than the 7. So this is the 7. It's about half an inch bigger than the 7. So, and this one feels a lot lighter than this one does. This one actually feels pretty heavy. It's very sturdy. Wow, this is a beautiful phone, guys. I don't normally get this excited about my technology and my phones and things like that, but this is a very nice phone. So I'm going to go ahead and power it up for you guys and see what happens. I'm getting fingerprints all over my phone, y'all. So the power button's right here on the side. And it's powering up. Let me drink some of my tea. I got some tea, y'all. I just want to be fancy, so it's in a wine glass, but it's tea. Alright. So it's just saying hello in all the different languages. So I'm assuming I have to scroll up. Okay, scrolled up. I don't know if you can see, but I did scroll up and I'm going to go ahead and select English. So it has an option for a quick start, or you can set it up manually. Quick start, bring your current iPhone or iPad near this iPhone to sign in and set up. If your other iPhone or iPad doesn't show options for setting up this iPhone, make sure it's running on iOS 11 or later and has Bluetooth turned on. You can also set up this iPhone manually. I kind of like the option of having the phone set up automatically. So I think I'm going to go ahead with that option. So I'm going to go ahead and set the phone up and everything, and then I will be back to give you some more details and information about the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Okay guys, so while the iPhone is setting up, I did want to show you what else is in the box. It looks like it's just the cord to charge your iPhone with. That's all that came in the box, along with some, looks like the manual and paperwork. So that's in the box also. And it does not come with the brick to plug your cord into for charging. So if you don't have a iPhone 11 that has the same USB that this one does, and you would have to purchase your own brick for charging. Luckily my husband has an iPhone 11, so I'll be using his brick until I get my own. So yeah, that's what it came with in the box. That's it. I'm a little bit upset because this phone is pretty expensive. For such a pricey phone, you would think that Apple would throw in the earbuds also and the brick, but nah, I feel like we're being gypped. Sorry Apple, I feel like we're being gypped here. All this money for this phone, and you could do was throw in the charging cable. Nah, I want my brick and I want my earbuds. That's not cool. I did also purchase a case for the iPhone because I don't want to carry the phone around caseless because I don't want anything to happen to it. So I did go ahead and buy a case. I didn't get the OtterBox case, which I believe is probably the best phone to protect your iPhones, or to protect your phones. I just got one that's clear because I'm fancy like that and I wanted to show off the phone. So yeah, the case that I got is a clear case, and it comes with the glass protection. Let's see if I can open it up. Here is the clear case. So I wanted the clear one just so you could see through and see the phone. And then it also has these are the clear protectors. So it also comes with the clear glass protector to protect the glass on your phone. It also has some instructions, and it has the cleaning cloth. Like I said, it's been a long time since I splurged on myself and bought a phone, so figured I deserved it. It was time. So it looks like the phone is still updating. It's basically just transferring. As long as you keep your old phone next to your new one, it's basically just transferring all the information. So it just says keep this iPhone near your new iPhone while your information is transferred. So all of the information, once this is done, will be transferred from your old phone to your new one. And I'm assuming that includes all the apps that you have downloaded, pictures that you may have, basically anything that you have saved, your notes, everything should be transferred over to your new phone. Alright, so it took a little over an hour to transfer all of my information from my old phone onto my new phone. So it did take longer than I thought it would take, but the good thing is that everything was transferred over and it was a very easy process. So I'm very happy about that. But it is definitely a step up from my iPhone 7. It does have nice features and I am absolutely enjoying the phone so far. I will be coming back just to show you some simple tips and things that I've learned so far with my phone. I'm also using widgets and things to kind of aesthetically change my phone and make it look very appealing. So if you guys enjoyed watching this video, make sure you thumbs up. If you have any questions about the iPhone 12 Max Pro, leave them down below. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.